Good morning. Are you sharing? What is this that they have? They got your rubber. Everybody's got it. Look at this nice tug. That's a good boy, Bo. Share your wub. Guys, come here. Ooh, Toby's beating the girls. That's right, get on top of it. Ooh, run away. Somebody's got the weather. Oh, thank you. She's hiding it. See, I gotta protect my weather. Uh-oh, Uncle Bobby took it. He munchkins. Now that's what you call a dog pile. There's Mama. How you doing, Mama? You helped them knock the gate down this morning, didn't you? Penny! Penny, you want to come be in the video? There's my pet. You have been left by your lonesome. You're like, I don't care, I got a wubba. Hovers. Come on, let's get see Mama.